Hello, this is a very quick look at the Netatmo Urban Weather Station. In the box you get an outdoor unit, slightly smaller than the indoor unit, and this takes batteries, powered by batteries. You can place this outside, but it does need to be sheltered away from the rain, so I've just got mine in my shed. This is the indoor unit. It's a bit taller than the outdoor unit. It has a few more measurements on it. It does come with a USB cable, powered by USB. Annoyingly, however, the adapter I got was not for the UK, so I've had to buy a UK adapter, which at this price I think is pretty poor. The units themselves share the same distinct look, and they do look fantastic. You wouldn't think these were weather stations. They're just silver cylinders, and they are designed to look nice because essentially once they're set up, you would just leave them in place. You don't need to do anything with them. Setup was really easy. You just follow the instructions and they connect to Wi-Fi and then start reporting data back, which you view in the app. The weather station is backed up by an excellent app and website. I've used it on both iOS and Android. This is on the iPad. On Android, this is a Z1 Compact, Sony Z1 Compact. I've actually added the data to my dashboard as if it's a weather widget, which is really good. It's giving me actual weather data from my station rather than an internet service. The app's really nice to use. This is the iPad version. It's the same on Android. If you're using a tablet, if you're using a phone, it's a bit more compact, but you get all the same data. And as you can see, it's at a glance you get the data from both the indoor and the outdoor units, weather forecast, temperatures, actual fuel. At the bottom here you've got CO2, noise detector, and right at the bottom is a forecast, and you can switch between a standard forecast and graphs of the rain and temperature forecast. The great thing about this is it allows you to track the weather trends over time. So here we have the indoor temperature, minimum and maximum, over several months, humidity, pressure, and you can see the fluctuations, CO2. So the CO2 varies quite a lot up and down, and that's to do with the units being placed in a bedroom, so at night CO2 goes up as we're asleep. Sound, again, it's up and down depending on when someone is in the room. And you can also track the same graphs for the outdoor temperature, making it really nice and easy. As you can see, this is a really slick app. If you decide to get further stations, you can switch between the different stations at the top here. The website provides a very similar experience. You have a dashboard showing all the same bits of information you've just seen on the app. So you've got the outdoor and the indoor readings, and you can have a look at this and change it to week, month, year data. At the moment, the Netatmo doesn't have a rain gauge, and as you can see down here, they're looking to start selling one of those shortly, so it'll be interesting to see how that integrates with the rest of the ecosystem. Interestingly, here you can see the battery for the outdoor is still almost full, and I've been using this now for several months. It's not dropped at all, so don't worry about having to change batteries every few weeks. They will last a long time. So despite a few niggles, I actually really like this system. I think it looks fantastic. I think it's been presented really nicely. The data that's recorded is quite interesting to look at. It gives you more information about your environment. You can then see how plants affect you, for example. You might put some new plants in, that may reduce the CO2 levels. It'll be great if they build upon the system, adding in things such as support for working with Nest or other smart thermostats. If they build on different modules to capture more information, this could be a really good investment for the long term in helping you build up and buy the modules that you're particularly interested in. If you'd like to know more about the weather station, I'll put a link to the Amazon product page in the description below. When you click through, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see my video review on the Amazon page. If you found it useful, please vote it up. Thank you.